just going to be circular movement so that our colours can blend. And again, we don't want to be pressing hard. We're just simply just adding a light layer. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to start adding the darker colours to the edge. So I'm going to go in with a Caput Mortuum Violet, so that it's darker at the side and around the edge. Then it kind of like has darker patches, obviously there, and a bit over here. And then we've also, it goes quite light as well. So I'm just going to work on this part with the Caput Mortuum Violet. I haven't done that bit yet, but that needs to have some grey in it first of all. Actually, let me just work on that bit first. That would probably make a lot more sense. So I'm using a cold grey 4 for this. And then I'm just going to add some of the white. And then just go in some of that Caput Mortuum Violet. So if you notice, I'm slightly moving it in that direction so that we can see that it curves up and over. So you can see it sort of curving over. Like that. Just grab a drink. Okay. And again, we just want to make sure it's curving over. Just gonna add some more in the middle, but we don't want to sort of make this too dark. So you can see pretty much we've added a lot of the layer in there. I just want to go back in with the burnt umber, just to get that coming down. it's a nice rich colour. This is. Okay. Just going to go a bit down there as well. Right, let me just add a little bit of the white. So that's just like blending it. And then I'm just going to go back in with the burnt umber. I'm just going backwards and forwards, lightly, same pressure, but I'm just want to make this brown stand out a bit. And just adding a bit of the line there, just so that, you know, we've got a slight marking going on in there. Just carrying on over here. So we're still going in that same direction there. Okay, just want to sharpen this white. Okay, so in here we've got some lighter bits coming through. So I just want to sort of make some marks with the white pencil